Remember to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an update from FirstCry Parenting.
Banana oats milkshake recipe for toddlers. Does your toddler resist to drink cow milk? This simple banana oats milk recipe can be served as an alternative to plain milk. Learn how to make this healthy recipe for your toddler. Cooking time. Preparation time 5 minutes. Cooking time 10 minutes. Total time 15 minutes. Cooking method. You need gas stove, induction, blender or mixer. Suitable for toddlers older than 19 months of age. Meal schedule, breakfast or midday snack. Ingredients. Banana 1. Oats 1 tablespoon. Full fat milk 1.5 cups. Instructions. Chop the bananas and add them in a mixer jar or blender. Add in the oats and blend. Now add their milk and blend again until the oats and bananas have combined well with the milk. Transfer the milkshake in a glass and serve it to your baby. Recipe tips. Chop the bananas finely so that they blend well with the drink. You can also powder the oats separately and add them so that they mix well with the drink. Use cold milk while blending as hot milk will tend to blow the mixie jar. Do not add any sugar as babies do not need any added sugar in their drinks. Milkshakes. Smoothies are a great way to pack a wholesome breakfast for your toddler. It is also a great way to introduce fruits into their diet. Give a try to this banana oats milkshake recipe.